If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Workers Credit Union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have checked your email, including your spam folder, for any messages from Workers Credit Union. They may have sent you a verification email that requires your attention. Step 2. Verify your information. Log into your Workers Credit Union account and confirm that all your personal information is accurate. This includes your name, address, and any other required details. Inaccuracies can lead to verification delays. Step 3. Submit required documents. If prompted, gather and submit any necessary documents for verification. This may include identification, proof of address, or other financial documents. Make sure these are clear and legible. Step 4. Contact customer support. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow up. After taking the above steps, monitor your account for updates. If you do not see any changes within a few days, follow up with customer support to ensure your case is being processed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If you continue to face issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the credit union.